Hi, I am Dr. Prashant Dole, Chief Orthodontist at Smiles and Faces. I have been in practice for the last 20 years. Traditionally, orthodontics has been looked upon as the straightening of the teeth, which improves the cosmetic value of the smile and the face. It is important to have better function of the teeth, better relationship between the teeth, jaws and the TM joint, so that the entire stomatognathing system works in a seamless manner. And orthodontics is the only natural form of dentistry which helps a patient to achieve that. Here at Smiles and Faces, we are well equipped to understand the patient's concern. Now we have got 3D diagnostic facilities which allows us to evaluate the patient's dentition in all three dimensions so that the treatment can be planned in a better way. We have got our staff who is very well trained to address each and every aspect of orthodontic treatment. As an orthodontist, I have been fortunate enough to treat more than 2000 orthodontic cases absolutely successfully. We have addressed problems which are related to jaw disproportions, surgical orthodontics, cleft lip and palate. We have got an infrastructure which is absolutely hygienic. We have got spacious operatories which will make you comfortable, and we are located in Juhu.
Dr. Prashant Dole and team is the best point for you for any orthodontic care.
I'm glad that I came here at Dr. Prashant's clinic, Smiles and Faces, and I would recommend to everybody that they should come here and get themselves tested at least once. So to him and to his entire team, thanks a lot for making me comfortable and smile confidently again.
Hi, I'm Dr. Dhwani Shan, Associate Dentist at Smiles and Faces Orthodontics. It is an absolute privilege to work with Dr. Prashant Dole, who is an institution within himself. Smiles and Faces Orthodontics is a state-of-art orthodontic practice which maintains international standards. We specialize in orthodontics and jaw joint issues. Dr. Prashant Dole has been an inspiration and motivation. As to watch him put the patient at ease and make the most difficult procedure seem effortless is an absolute delight. It gives me immense pleasure and joy to be a part of the team and knowing that we have made a transformation not only in terms of their teeth or in appearance but also in their self-esteem, which affects other areas of their life.